Hey everyone, in this video I will show you 10 Markdown commands that might improve probably your life. So let's get right into it. Adding headings, very easy. You see we have here heading 1, heading 2, 3, 4, and 5. Simply add a hashtag. This is my first level, second level, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Now if you're wondering if you can do 7, we can't. So let me delete this, do this. Alright, so this was the first one. Second one, how to add bullet points. Very easy. You just specify this, a minus, or an asterisk. If you want to do an item list, you can do in 1 point and then specify your text, etc. Okay, now writing bold and italic, very easy. You do a double asterisk here for bold, one single asterisk for italics. You can also do if I do underscores, it is italic. If I do 2 underscores, it is bold. Okay, writing equations, very straightforward. It's exactly like LaTeX. Here I have the equation on the same line between dollar signs. If I want it to be on a new line, I do $2 right here. So this is on the same line. This is on a new line. Highlighting code. You highlight code by making it between these two symbols. If you want a block code, you add this greater sign. If you want to highlight Python code, you do 3 times these symbols, add the keyword Python, and then you write your code between these two. Right, so you can see here, the code is highlighted. Doing a separation line. You can do it either with this minus sign or do it with the underscore. This is actually underscore. See here, works. Or you can do with asterisks. These all give one separation line. You can add an image simply by doing exclamation mark, then between brackets, it's image. You add the path of your image. Here it's in the same path. You can see. If I want it to be centered, I do a center and then the same thing. Center. Here is our centered image. Adding a link. You simply copy down your link. This will highlight it automatically. You can also add like an indent to it, for example, by doing between 2 brackets. If I run this, it will give us this link right here. So this is actually a call to action. Be sure to check out my channel if you like this video. Anyway, adding a table, very easy. You see here, for the first row, you specify it between these symbols. This will be the first row, this will be the second row, this will be the third row. The second row is like the separation line that you do with these minus signs. And then a strike through text will be done like this. So I do 2 times of this wave, 1, 2, text, then 1, 2. Now the text is strike through. So this was 10 very quick Markdown Jupyter Notebook commands. I hope you liked this video. Check out my other videos and I see you.